In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a OneDrive file in a Notion comment. By the end, you'll be able to drop a clean, accessible link right where your teammates will actually see it. We'll start on the left side of your screen where you'll find the grid of 9 dots, sometimes called the app launcher. Go ahead and click those 9 dots to open the menu of Microsoft apps. From that list, choose OneDrive. This takes you straight to your cloud files so you can grab exactly what you need without digging around your computer. Once OneDrive opens, head to My Files. This is the main hub for everything you've stored. If you have a lot of folders, use the search bar or the breadcrumbs at the top to quickly jump to the right spot. The goal here is simply to locate the file you want to share in Notion. When you found the file, select it. You can click once to highlight it or open it if you want to double check it's the right version. Now copy the link. Depending on your layout, you may see a copy link button on the toolbar, or you can right-click the file and choose copy link from the menu. This puts a shareable URL on your clipboard. Quick tip: make sure the link settings match what you need. If you're sharing with teammates, the default internal access usually works. But if others outside your organization need it, confirm the link isn't locked down. You don't have to change anything right now. Just be aware of how it's set so people can actually open the file. With the link copied, switch over to Notion. Open the page or workspace where the conversation is happening. Go to comments. You can use the comment area at the top of the page or the comment bubble on a specific block if you want the conversation anchored to a particular line. The key is to place the link where it adds context and keeps the thread tidy. Click into the comment field and paste the link. On most keyboards, that's Command+V on Mac or Control+V on Windows. Notion will keep the URL clickable, and in many cases, it will generate a tidy preview so everyone knows what they're opening. If you want to be extra clear, add a short note like, "Here's the latest version," or "Use this doc for feedback," so your teammates know exactly why the link is there. That's it. Click the 9 dots, choose OneDrive, go to My Files, choose your file, copy the link, head to Notion, open comments, and paste. Simple, clear, and easy to repeat whenever you need it.